my kitchen. Are you looking for an easy way to use your leftover risotto? Well, if so, stay tuned to learn how to make simple but delicious risotto cakes with me. This is a super quick recipe for easy risotto cakes that only uses 5 ingredients. So you will need 1/4 cup of frying oil, about 2 cups of leftover risotto. I will be using creamy mushroom risotto, 1 egg beaten, 1/4 cup of flour, and 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. In just 3 easy steps, you can enjoy these delicious risotto cakes. Step 1. Divide the risotto into 4 equal portions, forming each portion into a round shape. What's your favorite type of risotto? Let me know in the comments below. Step 2. Coat them in the flour, then the egg, then into the breadcrumbs. Make sure they are all evenly coated. Risotto is a traditional Italian dish that originated in northern Italy. Step 3. Now heat the oil in a small frying pan over medium heat. And fry for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Until golden brown. And that's it! All done. All done! It looks delicious, right? Let's give it a try. Wow! It's so tasty, full of flavor. Definitely a great way to use your leftover risotto. And what an easy recipe, right? Well, if you like this video, please remember to subscribe to our channel for more amazingly delicious recipes with me. See you all next time. Goodbye!